Hi friends, welcome to Linux Forge.
Okay, hi all, welcome to Linux Forge. Today we are going to discuss on installation of OS, and we are going to select Ubuntu as our OS. I want to do dual boot on my laptop. Now I am having Windows as the OS. Total I have 512 GB. I have split it partition to 194 GB. And you can see here pen drive. I have went by this pen drive. Here these are the listed OSs. ISO files are here. You can see here Ubuntu latest version. This is the OS which I am going to install this. Just search disk partition, disk manager, okay. Here you can see multiple partitions out there, and here you can see this is where my Windows is sitting here, and you can see these all remaining partitions over there, healthy partitions, which mean that I have already installed OS with according to my specifications. I have did partition for Ubuntu, but I'll be showing how to install Ubuntu from scratch. In your case it will be shown as unallocated space. Make sure that it is unallocated, remaining this whole space. I'm going to bootloader. I went to bootloader. Here you can see the keys listing out there. You have to go to boot menu, click on F9 as mentioned, select USB hard drive. You can see the listed OSs, ISO files out there. Just click on Ubuntu 26, which is latest version. You can choose any mode. Now I am going with normal mode as of now. Try or install Ubuntu. Just click on it. You can see it is getting loaded. It has loaded. Now you have to choose language. I want only English. Proceed next. Accessibility, yes, I want this all. Yes, US English I wanted. Next, connect to Wi-Fi network and install. In your case it is connect to Wi-Fi network. In my case it is wide connection, because I have connected already to Ethernet. You can see here. I will be proceeding forward. Here I want interactive installation. I want it to have default selection. I want to choose all this third party graphics and like graphic softwares and Wi-Fi hardware need to be installed, yes, and other media supported files as well. Let's proceed. This is the main thing which I want to discuss. This is the key step. Let's proceed. I want to uninstall the previous partition and proceed with the new partition. But I want to do it as manually, like I have to mention individual partition to make sure that this will increase CIS hardening score. I will explain while we proceeding further. Let's proceed. Okay, here one point I want to explain. This is SDA means which is connected to externally. Here in our case it is USB. NVMe, which means the internal SSD. Here we have already Windows. So this is the boot EFI, which is Windows Boot Manager. It has taken space around 100 GB, 100 MB. Okay, this same space will be taken, this same partition and space will be taken for Ubuntu also. Make sure that boot EFI should be same for every OS which you want to have in the grub menu. This same partition will be used as boot EFI for all listing OSs out there. Yeah, here you can see my previous partitions. Like from here it has started for Ubuntu partitions, which I did manually last time. Yeah, these all the partitions which I have done long before. Now I'm going to remove all this. Going to do free space. Yeah, I just need to remove all. Yeah, I have removed my OS right now. You can see, like, don't disturb until here NTFS, which means that till here this Windows partitions are there, so don't touch that. If you suppose if you delete any partition, then it may corrupt any Windows particular partition or else file system, anything else. So let's move forward. You can see, okay, here you can see free space. Now here I have to add Ubuntu partitions. Okay, yeah, click on plus. Here we have to choose GB, 1 GB. It should be ext4 for boot /boot. Click on OK. Plus, okay, GB /XFS. It should be here. It should be mount pointer should be /root 50. Yeah. And give 50 GB for home. It should be XFS. Give it /home. Click on OK. XFS GB. Here you can give temp. It's okay, we can give 5 GB for temp. Now here you have to give mount pointer as where temp. Okay, here you just need to give 5 again. Add mount pointer. Here you give where log. Choose GB. Here you can give 20. Here I think 20 is okay, reasonable. Otherwise we can give 10. It's okay. Let's give 15. I think it would be good. It should be XFS. Make sure all file systems to be XFS and GB XFS where log audit. Here also I am giving 15. Yeah, now remaining is swap. Yeah, for swap we have to choose swap and click on GB. Swap should have 16 GB should be swap, because my RAM size is 16 GB, so we have to keep same size as RAM space. No mount pointers for swap, like its file system act as mount pointer itself. Click on OK. Just count it, how many are there. 8 partitions are there. Now let's create 9th partition. Click on XFS. I want this all 145 GB for var itself. Yeah, here there are 9 partitions out there. Make sure that all the file system type is XFS. Yeah, okay. Yeah, here you can see Windows boot manager is taken as boot EFI as well as VFAT. This VFAT is for Windows and boot EFI will be taken for Ubuntu, because this whatever whenever system gets boots up, it should load kernel modules before OS getting booting up. So UEFI is responsible for that. So suppose if you have multiple OSs like triple boot or quarter boot, then you will be having for all the OSs in the grub menu, it will have same EFI, that is here. So we have here dual boot, so Windows boot manager and Ubuntu boot manager will take same boot EFI file. So considering that, we have 10 partitions out there. Yeah, don't calculate this free space, it is negligible, 300 MB. Yeah, once cross check it, you can proceed next. Okay, here you need to give your name. My name is Lokesh Manikanta. Lokesh Manikanta. Here my computer's name, which is host name. Here I can give my channel's name, Linux Forge. Here I have to give my username, which is Loki4884. Here I have to enter password. Yeah, I have entered password. Let's proceed further. Yes, we are from this timestamp. Click on next. Yes, before installation, please check out the following partitions which you have created. Just cross check it. Yeah, proceed. it will take time. After installation I'll continue video. You can see here it is still installing, it will take time. I want to show one interesting thing. Here you can see logs also, like what are the packages are installing. You can check out here by clicking this shell image. You can see, I hope, yeah, it is installing all the packages. Let it will take time, but make sure that you won't remove this pen drive while entire process is going on, and also make sure that you have connected to wide network or Wi-Fi. Yeah, make sure that no power cut and also no disconnections out there, and your laptop should be fully charged. Now you can see here, you just like it is ready, we have installed. We just need to restart our laptop. You can see here Ubuntu 26.04 is installed. Let's restart. Yeah, it will take time. Just click enter. Yeah, here you can see this is grub menu. I hope you can see properly. Yeah, this is grub menu. If you want to go to Windows, you have to click on here. If you want to go to Ubuntu, you have to click on here. This is grub menu, it is called as. Just get into it. Yeah, Ubuntu is booting up. Yes, it has given me login screen. We have login into login screen. This is the first page. You can see here it is listing like welcome to Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, which means long term support. This is latest edition of Ubuntu. Just click on next, finish. Yeah, just open command prompt. Here it is terminal. Here you can see this is my username and this is my host name. Linux Forge is my host name. If you type df-ht, you can see all the partitions which I have created. Root is taking about 47 GB and temp is taking about 4.6 GB, /home is taking 47 GB, boot is taking 921 MB, var is taking 135, and boot EFI is taking 96 MB, and var temp is taking 4.6, var log audit 14 GB, and var log is taking 14 GB. Here you can ask me that why it is taking like 14 GB 4.6 like this, but we have given 15 GB 4.6. Why it is taking like this? Because we know that 1 GB equal to 1024 bytes, but in business technology they use some MBA kind of mindset, like they use 1 GB equal to 1000 MB. Then according to, like, our system is designed in such a way that like our computer system is designed in such a way that 1 GB is 1024. For human mindset it is 1000, like to make profit out of that. So system can't show like that, right? So it will show whatever the true value is. So if it is 1000 MB according to human logic, then system logic is reduced like 4.6 like this, in this way, as we have allotted 5 GB. Yeah, that's what I want to express. Yeah, and you can also check free -lmh. You can see 15 GB total memory I have using, like currently I am using 1.9 gigabytes, and free this much and available this much. Yeah, swap also I have given same memory like 15 GB I have given, which means 14 gigabytes. I mean, like according to business logic it is 15 GB, according to computer logic it is 14 GB, because some vary is there, like some ME is cut down by the like original logic. Yes, that's what I want to express. Thank you. Signing off, Linux Forge.